Tetra Flow is based on millennia-old tried and true techniques, gravity filtration. Look no further than the Roman Empire's aqueducts to see the efficacy of this method. Tetra Flow uses naturally sustainable materials such as sand, rocks, and wood charcoal, allowing it to be reliably replicated in any remote community. We wanted a simple and long-term solution, and we believe Tetra Flow answers that call.
When testing the water samples, we utilized two different types of water testing kits. The first test was a bacteria test, which can detect the presence of E. coli and coliform in a water source. The second test detected the presence of heavy metals in a water source, such as lead or mercury. We also tested the pH levels of the water samples. The testing kits came with a mobile app that determined whether the water was safe to drink and came with the test results of the samples. Our water filtration system uses layers of rocks, sand, and coal, which filter out the bacteria and contaminants in the water.
So we tested a variety of water sources such as Kalmaka Lake and from Robert Lake, and we tested the water before and after we used the filter. Something we discovered is that we have to flush out the filter for at least an hour before using it. The results from the test strip showed that the system filtered out all of the elements, or almost all of the elements, from both sources. However, we discovered that the filter did not filter out bromine from neither the Kalmaka Lake or the Robert Lake. The second test, as Emily mentioned, was to detect E. coli and coliform, and both tests were successful for both lakes. The light yellow color indicates that the water is clear from the specific bacteria.
We performed a cost analysis for our filter to determine the cost of mass production. We looked into many companies and products to find the best quality for the lowest price. Some of the materials included in the cost analysis are the buckets, which we found to cost $2.50 each. Also, we found that 1 ton of activated carbon is $500, which is estimated to produce 907 kits, which would cost 55 cents in activated carbon per kit. The full cost analysis can be seen in our written report.
How we plan to mass produce the product is by 3D printing our product and have it machined. By doing this, our product can be produced at very large rates for a lower price. A plus for the product is that when the materials for the filter need refilling, the idea is that the materials are easily accessible in the community. For example, the user of the filter can go out and collect rocks and sand and easily replenish these materials in the filter due to ease of access in the community. The filtration parts used are all available to purchase at most hardware stores, making the whole filter easy to replace should some of the parts malfunction or break.
Tetra Flow kits will be shipped out in mass to communities around the province. All of the parts of the filter will be inside the bucket, along with instructions on how to assemble and restock when supplies run out. Initially, an online workshop will be held for large groups of community members to learn how to assemble the kits. After that, there will be no need for a filtration technician to be paid to fix or set up the filters. It was very important to us to design the Tetra Flow in a way that doesn't need technical expertise to effectively set up and maintain. We're really providing these communities with a way to regain their power on their water security. And we're doing so in a way that every household in the community feels in control and confident that they will have a steady flow of clean water for years to come.